So in this video, you're gonna learn exactly step by step how to make money with WarriorPlus and affiliate marketing. So make sure you watch this video until the end because I'm gonna be sharing with you special tips and tricks that's gonna help your campaign to make even more money. So what is WarriorPlus, right? WarriorPlus is your profit, is our business. It's a best-in-class sales and marketing automation platform and marketplace for digital business owners and online marketers. So it's kind of like ClickBank. It's kind of like some of these other affiliate marketing platforms like ShareASale, JVZoo, etc., etc. But there are some really good features of WarriorPlus that definitely warrants your attention. And so this is a serious site, right? Almost half of it is from the United States. You have UK, and then you have all of these other countries. So they're getting high quality traffic. And so it's a very high quality network, all right? So what you guys want to do is you want to create your free account. You're going to sign up here. And then once you're in here, what you guys want to do is you want to go to affiliate and you want to go to offers, right? Once you click on that, you're going to be on this main screen. So let me talk a little bit about this main screen so that you guys understand what it's all about, right? So you have the offer here. You have the release date, right? So that way you can see how long this offer has been running. You have the number of sales, the conversion rate, right? So how good is the conversion rate? How well is the offer converting? You have something called the visitor value, okay? And so that essentially means is that how valuable is each visitor depending on their conversion rate and depending on the cost of the actual product. You have the average sale because, there are things in the funnel, which I'm going to talk about in a second. But so it's not just one product. There are multiple products in that funnel. So you have the average sale, then you have the refund rate, and then you have something called a pulse. So if you click on here, you can have kind of an understanding. What does an offers pulse mean? Offers on WarriorPlus have a pulse score, which is an indicator of affiliate performance for that offer over the past few months. And so a higher pulse would indicate more overall activity for an offer based on the number of different people making sales, as well as some other factors related to overall sales numbers. Okay, so essentially it's kind of like in ClickBank you have gravity, so it's kind of like the same thing here. A lot of these affiliate networks, they have this similar indicator. So in ClickBank it's gravity, here it's pulse. ShareASale has its own, so each one of them has its own kind of thing. And so the next thing, guys, is you want to pick the type of offer you're going to be promoting, and we're going to be using a very special traffic source in this video, in this tutorial. And so you want to pick the right offer. And so I typically prefer products as opposed to courses, simply because I know they convert better. And so that is what I'm going to be looking for. And the other thing that I'm looking for is I'm looking at offers that, I can understand what they do. And I'm looking at offers that have a lot of sales, have good conversions, have been running, fairly new maybe, people like new stuff. An offer that's been running for 10 years might not be necessarily as good as an offer that's relatively new. And so as I was scrolling through it, this offer got my attention. It's Appify, best converting offer of the day. It has top 5% vendor. And this vendor has had 9 featured offers. You can click to view, and it has over 1,000 sales, 10% conversion rate, and a couple of really other good stats. So let's open this up just to understand what this offer is all about. And we're going to go through this together. So here you have the main page. You have the vendor, you have the price range, you have the commission range, and then you have various stats about the offer. Now, what I really like about WarriorPlus is something called the funnel map. So if you click here, you can see that they have something called the funnel map. So this is their main page. You have, the OTO1. This is one-time offer 1, one-time offer 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they're, trying to sell. They're trying to upsell different products. So it's not like you go and, the user goes and they try to purchase the product. They just see that one product. They see multiple products. If they choose to purchase this product, they get an upsell, right? Upsell is when they chose to purchase it. There's also something called downsells, is if they don't want to purchase it, and we don't see stuff like that. So you can click on it, and you can kind of understand more about it, right? And then you can go on products, and you can see what the products are, right? So you have all of these products that were shown in the funnel map, and you have their costs, right? So you have 27, 47, 47, 37, 57, 127, 239. This is white label. And so this is the commissions we're getting. We're getting 50% of each product. So that is why if you go to overview, you can make up to $290. That is like if they buy all the products, right? They buy all the products. That is how much we're going to be making. This is the commission range. This is the price range. There's a lot of money that we can potentially make. Now, it says here, you must be approved by the vendor in order to promote the software. And it's very, very easy to get approved. You just click on request approval and you have to request notes. You can just, ask them. So I would recommend, these are optional, but I would highly recommend for you guys to enter something. So you would say something like this: hey there, I'd love to promote your product using and then you can say, I will be promoting your product using my free traffic, and quality paid traffic. Okay, what they don't want you to do is they do not want you to spam their offers. That is not what they want you to do. So you can click on request offer and then you can wait. Now, if you do not get a response, what I recommend going to the sales page, I recommend going to the affiliate page, and I recommend contacting the vendor directly. You can click on here, you can go to their JV page, which is joint venture page, which is typically their affiliate page. And here you can kind of learn more about it, right? And you can get your affiliate link here. This is just going to redirect you to WarriorPlus. And so if you do not get a response within 48 to 72 hours, so like within 2 to 3 days, typically, you want to contact them directly and say, hey there, I noticed, I sent you a request in order to, get an affiliate link to promote the offer. I have not heard back. Let me know what's going on. Let me know if you had a time to look at my request. And that way they will know that you're serious, that you want to promote their product or service. They will know that you're that serious about it, all right? That is very, very important thing to do. And if you do that, there'll be a 99% chance that you will be approved after you go through the motions like I mentioned. The next thing is the promotion methods, okay? And how we're going to be promoting it. Well, we're going to be using Google. More specifically, we are going to be using YouTube ads, okay? And this is going to be perfect. And I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it. And so what you want to do, guys, is you want to go into ads.google.com. You want to log into your account. You want to create your account. And next thing, you're going to click on new campaign. You're going to hit new campaign. Now, when you're creating your ad, you want to create a campaign without goals guidance. It's one of the easiest ways and one of the fastest ways to create a campaign. You're going to select this. Next, we're going to select video. Here, we're going to select a custom video campaign. We're going to hit continue. We're going to specify United States. We're going to go in here and we're going to select all of this. That's fine. We're going to select English here. Okay. And I'm going to say maximum CPV bid. So this could be anywhere from 1 cent to 5 cents. 5 cents is the most expensive. 1 cent is kind of like the cheapest. So I'm going to say 3 cents. Okay, this is going to be my bid. And here is where I want the placement. So I'm going to go any placement and I'm going to say entrepreneur. Because remember, guys, this is Appify. So if you scroll down, it says here, now create blazing apps in just seconds with PWA and many other features, get the best templates and hundreds of niches, and build the fastest app for them, right? And so this is going to be targeted to entrepreneurs. By the way, PWA is Progressive Web App, if you're not aware. This is going to be targeted to entrepreneurs, right? People who want to build an app, they want to make money. So we're going to type entrepreneur. We're going to go to channels and we have entrepreneur here. We're going to scroll down and, it's very important. It's very helpful for you guys to understand already where you want to place your ad. So I know a lot of niches and I understand, what channels I want my ad to be shown. I understand what channels are good, what channels are not as good. And so let's say we're doing this and let's say this channel, you like this channel. So we're going to select this channel. Once you select it, you're going to have your campaign estimates update, right? It's still 20 billion impressions. So we're going to select another channel here and see what happens. Next, you have your bidding. We're going to do 3 cents maximum cost per view, which is kind of the mid-range. And remember, guys, you're not going to be paying 3 cents. if the auction is, as high as 2 cents or 1.5 cents. You're going to pay the highest amount necessary. The next thing is we need to create a video ad. And for that, we're going to go back to WarriorPlus and we're going to go to the JV page. And so if you click on View JV page, we want to see if they give you any kind of ads or video ads material. Otherwise, we can create one really, really quickly. So they have a video ad here. But if you scroll down, there's prizes, funnel, launch docs, swipes, affiliate links. So it doesn't look like they're giving you any kind of video information. So that's no problem. We can create one on our own. Okay? And so for that, we can go to a service called Canva. We're going to go to a Canva and we're going to say create a design and we're going to say video. We're going to choose video and we're going to quickly create a video ad. And so the way this works is this ad is going to be 5 seconds, which is fine. You can make it even more. We can make it like 10 seconds, right? We're going to click here. Now we have 10 seconds. Now this amount, this timing here is going to be how many seconds per each page. So let's say we have 3 pages, and actually let's say we have 4 pages, and we want this ad to be 20 seconds. That means each page is going to be 5 seconds, which is perfect for us. And so we're going to come here and we're going to create our first page. And let's say we're going to have something like this. And we're going to change this create amazing create apps, something like this. And you can change it around. And then the next one is going to be, we can say something like, we can go in here and we can do a text. We can go in here and we can create a text. So we can just drag and drop it and we can change it around. Create an app, or you can do app, create apps. And you can maybe change the size here. You can do 200. Create apps in just 5 minutes. Very simple. And then we can go in here to our third frame here. And we can say, we can actually drag and drop it, keep the same style. And we can change it around. Now you want to get your inspiration from this main page. You can say, actually, let's go to the main page. To the actual sales page, not the affiliate page. We're going to go to the sales page. Groundbreaking apps in less than 60 seconds. Okay, you're going to scroll down. One-click generation. So you can actually create little frames based on these benefits here. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste it. Okay, we're going to make it smaller. Something like this. And you want to format it. You want to make it maybe even smaller. Okay. Center it. And then you can go to the third one. And we can copy another point here, right? We can go in here. Effortless generation. I love these benefits here. We're going to paste it here. Paste it right here. Delete all of this. Paste this here. And we're going to change it to 100. Okay, that's too small. Something like this. Change the color maybe. Yeah, that looks great. Okay. And then something like this. And then we can do our final page here. Okay. We delete this. And we copy and paste another benefit. Works seamlessly with WordPress. Or 100% newbie friendly. That's pretty cool. We're going to paste this here. We're going to change the font. Let's make it 200. We're going to change the color. Blue, light blue. That looks great. All right, so now we have 4. Actually, we have 5 frames of 5 seconds each. And you can delete these. You can duplicate it. You could add transitions. You can, let's say, and we want to add a transition. And look at that. Slide. Look how beautiful that's going to look like. If we play it, look at that. It's playing that 5-second frame there. And then it redirects it. And then we can have another transition. Look at that. Add a transition. Let's say we want slide. And we're going to do that. Transition slide. Slide. That's beautiful. I didn't even know Canva can do that. So take a look at this. We're going to play it from the second slide. Very cool. And you can even add music to it. You can do a lot of interesting things. And then once you're done, you can animate it. Look at that. Animate it automatically. You can animate this. You could animate this. You could pan it. You can tumble it. You can do, let's say, rise it. So now if you play it, take a look how gorgeous it's going to look. Look at that. There's the transition. Look at that beautiful thing. Look at that ad. Look at those beautiful transitions, okay? Once you're done, you're going to hit download. You're going to save it as an MP4 video. You're going to say download. It's going to generate it on the fly. See, it's generating it already. So we're going to wait a couple of seconds. And so it tells us published successfully. And now it actually saved it on my hard disk. So I have this video now. So the next thing you want to do is you want to go to your video campaign and you want to upload it to YouTube. So if your video isn't hosted on YouTube, go to YouTube to upload the video. All you have to do is go to YouTube, upload your video, and then you're going to have a URL. And you can paste it here. You're going to have a little preview, and then you just click Create Campaign. And that way you create a beautiful campaign that's going to send it. And then once you upload it, you're going to have an opportunity to have a link. So once you upload it, you're going to have a preview here, and then you're going to have your links where you can specify a link. And that way you can link it directly to your WarriorPlus offer. And that way the ad is going to show up before the videos that you specified here. So whenever people are watching the video, before the video is shown and during the video, your ad is going to be showing up. And that way they can watch the ad, they can click on it, and they can go out and purchase the product. All right, guys. So this is an amazing way to promote WarriorPlus offers. If you enjoyed this method, you want me to do a more comprehensive method, let me know below in the comments. I would love to do a more comprehensive video if there's enough interest. If you enjoyed it, definitely smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.